Alright, so here we have this is the monster slash from a previous video. So it stopped working and my buddy gave it to me. So these are the tires that were originally on it. So it's kind of like a monster drag slash. And everything's connected and it does this. Doesn't run. So don't do that too much. I'm just doing this for show. But if you look at the pinion, it's sort of kind of bounce back and forth. And you can actually tell by the spur the way this bounces back and forth. So the issue with this, it could be a variety of things. It could just be maybe your sensor wire is bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this one. I do have another one I'm gonna try out just to see if it's this. And there. Everything works. So it has to do with the sensor. So it could be your sensor wire, it could be the sensor in the motor, it could be the sensor in the ESC. Now, I've had these ESCs go bad on me before, so I'm thinking it's probably the ESC since I've never really had an issue with the motor. But I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt and I'm gonna go ahead and plug in this new sensor wire. Now, let me go ahead and disengage the ESC while I'm doing this. And I'm hoping it's just the sensor wire. If not, it'll probably be the ESC. The issue is this system is getting really close to a year. So we have to hurry up and see if it's still under warranty or not. Hopefully it's just the wire, but let's see. And it's just the wire, luckily. So reverse works, and that fixed the problem. So sometimes it could be something as easy as just a faulty sensor wire. Anyway, I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. Don't sell your rigs prematurely and get upset and just want to bash them with a hammer. Just take little meticulous steps, check everything. This one will still get a full tear down just to service the transmission, everything in there, although it's working fine. But sometimes the fix is actually quite easy. Please comment below if you have any other questions or comment suggestions, and please subscribe if you have not. I'll catch you on the next one.
What? Oh, my hair! My arm! My rod!